Hello YouTube, welcome back once again my YouTube channel. Subscribe and see. Today I am giving you parts of speech in English.
Parts of speech. A noun names a person, place, thing, or idea. Examples: Raju, India. Cat, table. Pronoun. Definition. A pronoun takes the place of a noun. Examples: I, he, she, you, we, they. Verb. Definition. A verb shows action or a state of being. Examples: sing, dance, walk, talk. Adjective. Definition. An adjective describes a noun or pronoun. Examples: tall, long, beautiful, big. Adverb. Definition. An adverb describes a verb, an adjective, or another adverb. Examples: neatly, very fast. Preposition. Definition. A preposition connects a noun or pronoun with the other words in a sentence. Examples: in, on, at, by, over. Conjunction. Definition. A conjunction connects words, phrases, or clauses. Examples: and, but, so, because, or. Interjection. Definition. An interjection expresses a strong emotion. Examples: oh, hooray, alas. Additional notes. The page is visually appealing with cartoon illustrations of children around the text boxes. There is a small image of a bell at the top right corner. The text is presented in a clear and easy to understand manner, suitable for children or learners of English. Each part of speech has its own colored text box, making it easy to distinguish between them.